So today I want to share my thoughts about this really cool fantasy novel called A Curse for True Love by author Stephanie Garber. Stephanie Garber is my favorite author. So this novel is the trilogy and honestly is a full of magic mystery and of course some intense love drama. If you like stories with course and epic romance, this one definitely worth checking out. So next I will explain about summary or plot or storyline from genre structure novel A Course for True Love. So, the story centers on Evangeline Fox, a young woman who at first glance seems to have it all. She's married to handsome Prince Apollo and live in a legendary castle. But things aren't as perfect as they appear. Evangeline has lost most of her memories and doesn't realize the heavy price she's paid for her so-called perfect love. Her husband, Apollo, is determined to keep her in the dark about her past. And about Jax, the Prince of Hearts, is a fascinating character. He's charming, mysterious, and deeply in love with Evangeline. He is even sacrificed its own heart to protect her, with its both romantic and tragic. As the story unfolds, we discover the existence of the Tree of Souls, a magical but malevolent force that demands a life in exchange for immortality. This course is at the heart of the story, controlling the fate of everyone involved. Apollo's ambition and possessiveness push him to make dangerous choices. Will Jack raise against time to save Evangeline from the curse and dangerous that surround her? What I love about the plot is how it weaves together romance, suspense, and fantasy. There are so many twists and turns just when you think you know what's going to happen. The story surprises you. Evangeline and Jack's love is constantly tested by fate, curse, and the manipulation of those around them. In the end, their reunion is a powerful symbol of love, overcoming even the darkest magic. Now let's talk about what makes this book stand out. First of all, the atmosphere is absolutely magical. Stephanie Garber's writing is vivid and enchanting. You really feel like you're inside a fairy tale, but one with real stake and real emotion. The world building is rich, with beautiful castle, mysterious forests, and magical course that feel both dangerous and alluring. I also appreciate how the story explores the idea of fate versus free will. The characters are trapped by curse and destiny, but they keep fighting for their own choice and for each other. That struggle makes their journey feel real and relatable even in a magical setting. Of course, the book isn't perfect. Some readers think the ending is too quick, and some side characters are not explained enough. I also hope for a bigger love confession from Jax. But even with this the small problem, the story is very emotional and full of passion. Overall, this novel is a real roller coaster of feeling. It's fast, surprising, and makes you care about the character. If you like the story where love has big challenge, you will really enjoy this book. Next, we will talk about the moral and value and lessons from this story. First of all, A Course for True Love teaches us that true love is very strong and can change people. True love is not just about a romance, but also about sacrifice, loyalty, and fighting for what is important even when it's hard. Jack shows this when he gives up his own heart for Evangeline. Secondly, the story warns us about being too ambitious or too controlling in love. Apollo tries to control Evangeline, but this only brings sadness. This shows that love should be free and not forced. Third, the story tells us to always have hope and make our own choice. Even when things seem impossible, Evangeline and Jax do not just accept their fate, they fight for their own happiness. Their bravery shows us that we can also try to change our own story. Lastly, the book reminds us that life and love are not always perfect. There will be problems and pain, but these things make love real and worth fighting for. So that's my review of A Course for True Love by Stephanie Garber. It's a magical and emotional story that really made me think. I believe this book will stay in my mind for a long time. If you like books with fantasy, romance, and important life lessons, I definitely recommend you to read this trilogy. So, goodbye and thank you.